Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete your Telegram account permanently. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. You can do this method exactly for your phone or your computer, it's the exact same steps, just look a little different. All you have to do is to go on the top left section where you can see the three dashes or the three dots. Once you're here, go to your settings. Once you go to your settings, you're going to scroll down until you see privacy and security. Click on this option. Once you click on this option, you're going to scroll all the way down until you see right here, delete my account if away for, and it's going to show you a number of months. So once you click on here, then you can see that you can determine if you aren't online in 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, 18 months, or 24 months, then you can delete this account fully. So if you wanted to delete it as fast as possible, simply click on 1 month and then click on save. And if you're not online for 1 month, then it's going to delete it fully permanently. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.